To add a sloped ceiling, this is actually one of the items in the tutorial pop-up bottom right, so you can always look there again if you forget kind of midway. Yeah, here you go. So we want to add the sloped ceiling item, rotate it into place and resize. So we're going to go into structure. Here we go. Then we're looking for sloped ceiling. Here it is. Now, in terms of what this looks like, this side, this end of the slope is the sort of deep end of the slope, the fullest end of the wedge, and this is the narrowest. So if I put it like that against our wall, now I'll make this a slope that's kind of across the room here, go to the wall elevation, and you can see here our sloped ceiling. And obviously you can change the kind of dimensions of that like anything else in here. And if you're looking at it from the side above our door, you can see the total depth of that. So your ceiling height in this room would actually be, and you could mark it out separately if you like, using the measurement line. Your ceiling height would be that on that wall, rising to the full 240 centimeters on this wall above the shower. And then for multiple rooms in the same plan, you'll just need to make sure that you have a slope per room. So here, for example, yeah, we've got a slope either side. So what you want to do for this room back here is just take a copy and drag that into place. There you go. And then you'll see the slope in this room as well.